Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today it's all about the ToughBuilt Sawhorse, and this is the model C700. It's $59.98 at Home Depot. I think you can get it on Amazon also for about the same price. And I've had quite a few sawhorses in the past, and the last pair that I bought was some plastic ones, and they were just total crap. And they're basically falling apart right now, and I got a big project coming up where I need some sawhorses. So this is the sawhorse that I decided on, and I'm gonna buy these. I'm gonna buy about 4 of these today. I'm gonna review them. They have good reviews. A lot of people talk good about them. They got adjustable legs. You can see that you can set a piece of plywood on the side for marking. They have these little side pieces can hold 2x4s or 4x4s. And they're basically adjustable. They got a little piece there that you can adjust back and forth. And the one nice thing is these also have adjustable legs, and that's important to me because I'm about 6'1", and I don't want to bend over to a small sawhorse. So these look like they're a little taller than normal. And yeah, so today we're gonna head over to Home Depot and see if we can't get 4 of these. And then we'll bring them back to the shop, and we'll try them out, and I'll let you know what I think. Right off the bat, it looked like Home Depot was out of stock of these things. The shelf was empty, but after careful, there's those cheap plastic ones that I don't like on the bottom. Now up here, I kind of looked around, and then these upper boxes up here turned out those were the ones I needed. And there was 2 in each box, and I was going to buy 4 of them. Okay, right off the bat, they look really solid. They've got a handle right in the middle. Now, right off the bat, that's pretty low to be working, so I'm going to raise them all the way up. So that's full height right there. And that actually, that's a pretty good height for me. I'm about 6 foot tall. So right here, these are adjustable. So this is basically where you can lock in a 4x4 or a 2x4. You can also rest material right here for cutting. So in other words, if you wanted to cut a 2x4, you'd lay it in here, mark it, and cut it right here. Yeah, this thing looks really nice, actually. Yeah, it's pretty solid. Feels good. The feet are nice. You might be wondering, well, why do you need 4 of them? Well, I'm getting ready to do a bunch of siding on my garage, and the idea was that I could actually set up 4 of these and basically make a nice platform to work from. Because the siding material that I'm getting is 16 feet long. And yeah, these feel really good. They got some non-stick stuff on the top. I have seen people put 2x4s on the top, which could be an idea in the future. But these look really nice for 50 bucks. They're $59, and they're super solid. They 2,600 pounds for a pair, 1,300. So you could put 1,300 pounds right on top of this. So right now I'm going to set it up the way I'm going to do my siding table, and yeah, let me show you how I'm going to do it. right here I got about 12 feet, but I could easily have some longer 2x4s and have this thing a lot longer. Yeah, very easy to set up, very easy to put away. They're compact, stackable, and yeah, I'll have to give these a thumbs up. They feel really sturdy too. I like the fact that they got the little rubber pads on the bottom. Yeah, ToughBuilt C700, I believe, as the model of these. And adjustable legs, adjustable top. You can flip these out to stack a piece of plywood on them if you want. You can flip these out right here. If you need to cut a 2x4, you can lay it across there and cut them. Yeah, really nice. I have to give these ToughBuilt Sawhorses a thumbs up. Yeah, another idea I had was to actually put a couple boards in here and recess a chop saw into the middle of this, which I still might do, or even on the end, maybe have the chop saw recessed over here. That's not a bad idea. And you could also recess a table saw into one side if you set it up right. Anyway, yeah, ToughBuilt Sawhorse C700 job site table. A good buy for the money. 59 bucks. That seems like a really good buy. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Later.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple.